Welcome every student. Today on 26 I am going to solve practice 4B and 6 question number 6 and 7. You see question number 6 evaluate. Question number 6 evaluate means 6a it is given in mod -5. -5 is in mod. I told already as a absolute value of any number always be positive. So this -5 is put in mod. It means the value is 5. The value is 5. 5 means plus 5. 5 or plus 5 same thing. Like that 8 as question number B. 8 given in mod. 8 means the positive integer. When it is put in mod means you are finding the absolute value of plus 8. So absolute of positive number is always positive number. Absolute value of positive number is always comes positive. So 8 means plus 8. Plus 8 means 8 same thing. And 0 the absolute value of 0 is always 0. -20 in mod it means 20 because it is minus. So absolute value of the number always be positive means -20. Positive value of -20 is 20. 20 means plus 20. E as given -100 in mod it means 100 means plus 100. This way you can solve this. Question number 7 you can see question number 7 -2 plus 2 -2 in mod plus 2 in mod. You can see the absolute value of -2 is 2. 2 means plus 2 and plus absolute value of plus 2 is 2. It means 2 plus 2 4. So it is 7a. 7b -5 in mod -5 in mod and plus -5 again in mod. See value of absolute value of -5 is 5 plus -5 is 5. 5 5 10. So 10 means plus 10 is the value of that expression -5 in mod plus -5 in mod. Next 5 multiplied by -3. 5 multiplied by in mod -3. You see 5 means you can write 5 as it is and -3 absolute value of -3 is 3. 3 means positive 3. After that 5 3 is 15. 15 means plus 15. So as value of 5 multiplied by in mod -3 as 5 you can write as it is multiply and absolute value of -3 is 3. So in the place of -3 is 3 and you remove mod. After that you can multiply 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So this is answer. After that question number D 7D. Question number 7 D -30 in mod -30 in mod divide by -6 in mod. How can you do? Firstly remove mod and write the result. So mod in mod given -30. So value of -30 in mod will be positive means 30. Divide by the result of -6 as in absolute value 6. Now 30 divided by 6. 6 5 is 30. If you divide 30 by 6, so 5 times it goes. So it means 6 5 is 30. So 5 is result. 5 is answer. In this way you can do all questions. Question number 8. Can the absolute value of a number be ever negative? No. Absolute value of a number be never negative. It means absolute value of a number be never negative. So absolute value of a number be never negative. Always it is positive. Okay. So today you complete question number 6, 7 and 8 in your copy, and after that addition of integers. How can you add the integers? Addition of integers on the number line. Addition of integers on a number line. On a number line. Firstly, suppose to addition of integer. Suppose to plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. You have to find out plus 3 plus 2 on number line. So if you evaluate as in the arithmetic way, it means 3 to 5 means plus 5. 3 to 5 means plus 5. But you have to represent this addition on number line. How it is possible? You see, this is the number line. Here you can consider, because both are positive, plus 3 and plus 2 both are positive, so here you can consider 0. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because plus 5 result is plus 5, so till plus 5, more than till plus 5, you can represent on the number line as in the positive way. As you can see, this is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. You see, plus 3 and plus 2. It means plus 3. Plus 3 means right side 3 gap. Plus 3 means right side 3 gap. 1, 2, 3. So you see 1, 2, 3. 3 means 1, 2, 3. Plus 2 again 1 gap, 2 gap. It means plus 2. So here you can see plus 3 and plus 2. What will result? Plus 5. Here plus 5. Here plus 5. Plus 5 is the result. Plus 5 is the result. It means till here 0 to 5. It is the result. So in this way you can add the integer, as you can see, plus 3 and plus 2. You can write here plus 3 and plus 2. You are adding this. You are adding this means as plus. So result is plus 5 here. Plus 5. In this way also, simple way plus 5, and on the number line also plus 5. So like that. Next example. Next example. Suppose to minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5. So 5 is positive, minus 3 is negative. So if the value of positive more than that of negative, the result will always come positive. So if you subtract 5, minus 5 plus 3 means, as consider like that 5 minus 3. It means 2 plus 2. It will come plus 2. So in this way, you can make as negative integers also, positive integer also. See, on the number line, here 0, because negative integer also there, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Always take care the gaps on the number line should be equal. Don't make the different types of gaps. Gaps should be equal. Here 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. After that, minus 3. Minus 3 means here. Minus 3 plus 5. So here from minus 3, see, minus 3 to plus 5. Plus 5 is 5 gets right side. Minus 3 here, plus 5 is 5 gets right side. So you go to right side as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 3. So 0 to minus 3, you can see this is 0 to minus 3. 0 to minus 3. This coming. After that, going to how many? Going to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gaps. Going to 5 gaps. From minus 3, it is going to 5 gaps as 2 till 2. Going to 5 gaps as till 2 here. See, firstly minus 3 is there. So 0 to minus 3, you take 1, 2, 3, 3 gaps left side. After that, you see minus 3 plus 5. Plus 5 means 5 gaps right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gaps. All there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gaps. So you can represent from this minus 3 to as 5 gaps means it comes on 2. It comes on 2. It means result is also 2. It comes on 2. So it means minus 3 plus 5 results gives. So you can see as it is added to plus. So in this way you can see both are added. Both are added means as in addition. So next, adding integers using absolute value also I have told already. So I will give some examples tomorrow. For today, thank you.